From May 25th until May 31st, the state of Virginia is having a hurricane preparedness sales tax holiday. What that means is there isn't going to be sales tax charged on any items related to an emergency preparedness or a disaster supply kit. In an emergency, first responders may not be able to get to every resident immediately. This is why it's important for every resident to be able to take care of themselves and be self-sufficient for up to 3 to 5 days after an emergency or a disaster. What that means is you want to have an emergency kit both in your home as well as in the workplace and in your vehicle. Well, there are many items that should go in your emergency kit. First and foremost, you want to worry about your survival, which includes water. You want to have 1 gallon of water per person per day. You also want to have non-perishable food items. Some have shelf lives of up to 5, 10, even 15 years, and those are great in an emergency because you can store them for a long time and not have to replenish them. You also want to have a quality first aid kit in case something should happen in an emergency. You should also have many forms of lighting, so a flashlight with additional batteries. One of the most important things of an emergency is to stay informed. These hand crank radio is great. You can listen to weather channels or basic radio stations, and you can even charge your cell phone using this radio as well. Putting together an emergency supply kit is the type of thing that most people put off, but it's extremely important. Take advantage of the Virginia Hurricane Preparedness Sales Tax Holiday to save money and to prepare.